Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I am going to share a beautiful story with you. This story is about a simple family, a family with small dreams, a family that learned English step by step. The words in this story are very easy. The sentences are short, but the message is very powerful. So relax your mind, open your heart, and enjoy this emotional English learning story. In a small town near a quiet river, there lived a simple family. The river moved slowly. The air was fresh. Life was peaceful. Every morning, the sun rose gently. Birds sang on the trees. People walked slowly and smiled at each other. It was not a rich town, but it was full of kindness. The family lived in a small house with a tin roof. When rain fell, the roof made soft music. The house was old, but it was warm and safe. There were 5 members in the family: a grandfather, a father, a mother, a son, and a daughter. The grandfather's name was Kareem. He was old and wise. His hair was white. His eyes were calm. He loved telling stories from his past. He always said, "Learning never stops. If your heart is open, your mind will grow." The father's name was Jamal. He worked in a small shop near the road. He sold daily things: rice, oil, soap, and tea.
Many people came to his shop. Some were local people. Some were visitors. Sometimes foreign tourists passed by. When Jamal heard English, his heart beat fast. He smiled politely, but he did not speak much. Inside his mind, he thought, "I understand a little, but I cannot speak." He felt shy. He felt small. The mother's name was Salma. She was gentle and kind. She woke up early every day. She cooked food. She cleaned the house. She wanted her children to have a better future. She believed English could open doors. But she also felt afraid. She often said, "My English is weak. I am not confident." The son's name was Imran. He was a high school student. He studied hard. He read English books every day. But when the teacher asked him to speak, his mouth became dry. His voice became low. Fear stopped his words. The daughter's name was Lena. She was very young. She was full of curiosity. She loved picture books. She read English slowly. She read word by word. She smiled at every new word. For Lena, English was not fear. English was fun. One rainy evening, dark clouds covered the sky. Rain fell on the tin roof. Tap, tap, tap. The lights went out. The room became quiet. The family sat together on the floor. They listened to the rain. Kareem cleared his throat and said, "Why don't we learn English together?" Everyone became silent. Jamal said softly, "I am busy every day." Salma said, "I am not good at English." Imran said, "I am afraid of mistakes."
Lena looked at everyone and smiled. She said, "Let's try. Just small steps." Her words were simple, but they touched every heart. That night, they started with just one word: hello. They said it together, slowly, clearly. They laughed. Fear became smaller. From that day, they practiced English every night. Only 15 minutes. No pressure, no stress. They learned words from daily life. Shop, food, water, family, dream. Kareem listened carefully. Sometimes he forgot words. Sometimes he smiled and tried again. Jamal practiced English in his shop. He said, "Hello, sir. Please come. Thank you." At first, his voice shook, but day by day, his confidence grew. Salma learned English while cooking. She said the names of food aloud: rice, fish, salt, water. She made sentences slowly. This is rice. I cook food. I love my family. Imran read English stories aloud at home. Sometimes he stopped. Sometimes he made mistakes, but no one laughed. Everyone supported him. Lena sang English songs. She sang loudly. She danced freely. She enjoyed every moment. Kareem watched them and smiled. He said, "Small steps make big change." Days passed. Weeks passed. Months passed. English slowly became a part of their life. Not perfect English, but real English. One day, a tourist came to Jamal's shop. The tourist asked for help. Jamal took a deep breath. He spoke simple English, slow and clear. The tourist understood him. The tourist smiled. Jamal felt proud. At school, Imran spoke English in class. His voice was stronger. His teacher clapped. His classmates listened. Salma helped her children at home. She felt confident. She felt happy. Lena dreamed big dreams. She wanted to travel. She wanted to speak with the world. Kareem looked at his family and said, "You see, learning has no age." That family learned one big lesson. English is not difficult. Fear is difficult. When we learn together, when we support each other, learning becomes easy and joyful. Their small steps became strong steps. Their strong steps became big English dreams. And their journey continued with hope. My dear friends, this story teaches us something very important. English is not difficult. Age is not a problem. Money is not a problem. Fear is the real problem. When we take small steps, when we practice every day, learning becomes easy and joyful. Their small steps became strong steps. Their strong steps became big English dreams. And their journey continued with hope. My dear friends, this story teaches us something very important. English is not difficult. Age is not a problem. Money is not a problem. Fear is the real problem. When we take small steps, when we practice every day, learning becomes easy and joyful. If that family can learn English together, you can also do it. Start today. Start small. Make mistakes. Learn from them. And never stop trying. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling.